Ali was a little boy. It was the day of Eid, and he was very happy wearing his new clothes. He had some mighty money in his hand and was going out to play with his friends. On the way, Ali saw a poor boy sitting sadly. He was wearing old clothes and had no Eidi or new dress. Ali stopped. He remembered a hadith his teacher had told him. The Prophet Muhammad said, "None of you truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself." Ali thought for a moment, then smiled. He took some of his Eidi money and gave it to the poor boy. "Come, let's play together," Ali said happily. The boy's face lit up with joy. Now both of them were celebrating Eid together. When Ali went home and told his mother, she hugged him and said, "My son, today you celebrated the true spirit of Eid." Moral: real happiness comes from sharing and caring for others.